Okay, here we go. Here we go. So we have all our colors here, as I said before, surrounding the one non-color in the middle because we need to understand science. Eventually, people will understand science. Black is not a color. And white is not a color, so we need to stop saying that it is. Science, people, science. Anyway, we trying to get this other thing out. That's all the thing is not. It might sound satisfying because some people love to take things out of. This part actually sounds almost like one of those cool Japanese raps. Okay, anyway, we finally got it out of the package.
Likey